having served in the government for 34 years, I know some things of the system. But do you think a common man would have availed such kind of facilities, or I would say such kind of the system to highlight their case?
So it's been a long struggle. It's been a long fight. How are you planning to take your fight forward? What are you hoping for, or what are you expecting to happen in this?
See, we know that Pallavi will never come back, neither a week. But we would have some way consoled ourselves if the capital punishment was given to Sajjad. He was hanged, sending a very strong message that if you play with our women, this is the punishment for you. This has not happened. This was the least that we could have we expect. Now every day, see what has happened to Nirbhaya case. I mean, today it is 3 years since then. I mean, we are just playing with the nuances of the judicial saying that is juvenile. Not a person who knows, who is committing a crime, knowing the outcome of it. Why should that criminal should be given the benefit of his age? Supreme Court has very categorically mentioned that when a crime is committed in pursuance of a heinous motive, capital punishment should be given. Now, what has happened to Bulandshahr? How people get this kind of courage to do this kind of crime? Unless they know that the system is not going to do anything to us, we can get away with it. We blame the police, but in few cases where police is able to do some serious work, you have the judicial system which negates everything. I mean, look at this, the Sessions Court. The way they have, the judge has come to the conclusion is atrocious. In no way it meets the requirement of the society. How can we expect, how can we even say that we should have faith on the judicial system?